That's how we do it. Why lift when you can scoot? Today is bathroom fixtures day, except for the shower. Maybe the shower pan. Toilet time. You don't use the wax.
I do.
You do? Oh, okay.
This is all before the wax.
Yeah. That's sort of the last thing, isn't it?
Yeah. I put these on and I double nut them so that they don't spin for the guy who comes and replaces the toilet later, which is going to be me.
Wow. You're going to be doing this for another 20 years? That is the wax ring that's used on ceiling toilets. Yep. They're pretty before they get squished. The whole purpose. Look at this. Picking it up as if there goes the squishing part of it. There it is.
I had a lady years ago. You know?
Well, we're talking about setting the toilet.
I feel like I made her day, you know?
We'll leave it at that.
That's it. We had to take a commercial break, ladies and gentlemen. I'm old enough to play, you know? Come on. Trying to pass me off.
All right.
Okay. We will cut those. Cutting them with my multi-tool, that's for sure.
How do you usually cut it?
I got a little fine, really fine saw that cuts through those really good.
On the cover cap?
There we go. Goodness gracious.
I always have a hard time with those things.
They
too.
are a pain in the butt. Sometimes they'll snap right on, sometimes they want to take a little bit of time.
And sometimes I just lay them there and pretend like they stick.
Hopefully this will all be long enough.
At the supply line. Diane's giving me it's hot out here. The sky's been laying directly in the sun all morning.
She's smart.
She loves to do that. So you're having to double the length here?
Yeah. They don't have one long enough because, you know, we came out the side.
Yeah. You saying hello to Keaton?
She's like, he says it's not ever enough. He says that him loves me whenever I want to. Whenever I want to, honky. She's like, it's not enough. When you called to get him out here, he didn't even remember who you were until you told him about me.
And the toilet's tank is filling with water.
Do a flush test or two while I get all this ready.
More of the mineral-filled water. Every time we turn off the water supply to the house, we get some of this. Oh well.
It'll all flush out.
Yep. Dual flush toilet.
Such a pretty girl. So if you look at this, I'm not going all the way around the toilet.
Right.
I'm only going to the back third of it, and I'm leaving about a 1 to 2 inch gap in the back with no caulking in it. And what that is that is an indicator that if this thing is leaking, hopefully it'll leak and let you know it's leaking before it starts ruining your floor or the building or anything like that. So if you were to caulk it all the way in, it wouldn't have any way to come out here and tell me, hey, you're leaking. It would only leak once it started coming out into the garage.
That makes sense.
So I like to leave that little opening in the back there.
And that's mostly just to prevent water and stuff from getting there if you're cleaning the floor or...
This is just, the caulking is there, in my opinion, to take the shadow out and not allow you to get a bunch of stuff inside of there.
Got it.
You can see that there's a little dark space underneath
Yeah.
it, and it makes it kind of look like it's not sitting on the ground properly. So, A, it helps me, like the customers not go, is that thing all the way down? B, it does, it keeps stuff out from building up underneath it.
Okay. Toilet seat time. Do they still make round toilets?
Yeah. You don't see them much being installed much more anymore.
Seems you're very familiar with this style.
I'd like to say that I have no idea and have never done it, but I'd be lying.
Sky, you're kind of in the way.
She's perfect. You are perfect. You don't have to move on my cord, baby. No, you don't. You're the princess. Her get to do what her wants. Her get to whatever her wants. Yeah. So I beat my surgeries. I got nothing wrong.
No, she's good.
No, good. Yeah.
Toilet seat installation 101.
Stay there.
So are we done?
We're done.
Awesome. We've got a working bathroom now, at least for our sink and our toilet.
We're done.
We just can't take a shower in there, but, well, you could in the sink. Well, Sky, that was fun. Having your buddy Keaton come out and do our plumbing. What do you think, Diane?
Very nice. Yeah, purple water.
Yeah, that comes without any charge. I think I'll need to adjust the plunger a little bit there in the trap.
It's okay. It's going down slowly.
Yeah, there's an adjustment on the back side.
Boy,
Yeah,
that is close to the wall.
yep, which is good.
And the splashboard will go back there.
Yeah,
Okay.
well, make sure it works. It's a little, yep, disappears into the drain field, the septic tank.
Very nice.
Now, we're working out in the garden and in the yard, and we have to go quickly.
We can get in here quickly.
Yeah. With dirty shoes, too.
What do I hear? Oh, it's the fan.
Yeah.
Is that
There
what
you
I
go.
heard?
Yep. And now you hear the fan out here, too, and the air conditioner.
Oh,